A blinking red light on your Spectrum modem indicates a problem with your internet connection. It usually means your modem can't connect to the Spectrum network due to several reasons. These reasons include hardware failures like loose cables or overheating, signal problems from weak connections, service issues such as outages or billing, and user errors from incorrect setup. It's like a check engine light for your internet. The most common cause is signal loss, but firmware updates and AI diagnostics are helping to resolve these issues faster. Different models of modems, such as Spectrum's RAT2 V1K or Netgear modems, may have slight differences in how the lights are displayed. Always check your manual if unsure. The RASCU V1K blinking red light usually means the modem cannot connect to the Spectrum network, or there is a DHCP issue. Start by power cycling the modem. Unplug the modem and router if separate for 30 to 60 seconds, then plug them back in. This often clears temporary glitches and resolves the blinking red light. Next, check the physical connections. Make sure the coaxial cable is firmly connected to both the modem and the wall outlet. Inspect for any damage or loose ends. Access your modem's diagnostic page at 192.168.1.1. Check the downstream and upstream signal levels. Downstream should be between a 15 to plus 15 dBm and upstream between 30 to 55 dBm. If out of range, contact Spectrum. Check for firmware updates in the modem's admin panel. Look under Advanced or Management Settings and install any available updates. If all else fails, reset the modem to factory settings. Press and hold the reset button for 10 to 15 seconds. If these steps don't resolve the blinking red light, contact Spectrum support at 1-833-267-6094 or use the My Spectrum app for further help.